Hi.
Hello. Hello.
I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and kind of setup of a Sony A5000. It's from CEX and it was 150 quid. It was grade C, which according to CEX's website, it should be working in poor condition, working all essential accessories, no box required. So I'm not expecting this to be in a box, but I'm hoping it should have the kit lens with it. So I'm just going to get my camera moved. Hopefully this is the last time using this one, although it is looking quite good today, which is a bit annoying, but I usually use it in poor light conditions. Like this, still not looking terrible, but I'm hoping the A5000 should be a little bit better, and I'll be able to use it for other things if I decide to go into any photography or anything like that. So I've had this package quite a while. I've been wanting to get it unboxed, but I've been waiting for the cable, HDMI cable, which has only just turned up today. So I'll just get cracking with this. We'll see how well it works, and see if CEX have tested the HDMI part on it, because it is a very popular camera for doing face cams and stuff. So I'll be intrigued to see if it works or if it's got a loose connection or anything. I'm hoping it's not. It's been well packaged, or well taped up I should say. Right, let's see if look. This will be the charger, I'm hoping. Part of it. It was £150, Sony Alpha A5000 with a lens. Obviously it's CEX. So this is the charger. So it does come with a charging block, which is good. Don't know how many batteries will come with, probably just one. I must say it has been packaged very well. Nice and squishy, that. So props for CEX for using it and using recyclable materials as well. Okay, so that's the E-mount, so I'm hoping the lens is in the box. I haven't got to it yet, if it is in there, but yeah. APS-C sensor there. I'm not overly clued up on cameras, but I know the Sony Alpha is it's pretty good. Yeah, it is a bit bashed up. Grade C, obviously. There's nothing majorly wrong with it though. Screen's a little bit scratched, as you can see. Flip up screen. Yeah, it's definitely seen some use. It's the top of the camera. Can't really see it. Focus, come on. I'll get it all powered up and stuff anyway shortly.
Psych!
Yeah, there doesn't seem to be a lens with it. Unless it's under here, but I don't think it is. No. So wind the description. Fully working with all essential accessories. Now, as far as I know, the kit lens should have been included with it. Well, there is a battery at least, but no lens, so I can't use it. Yeah, so this is the listing. This is the one that I bought. 150. Sony Alpha 5000 plus 16 to 50mm. Now, I'm almost certain that means that there should be a 16 to 50mm lens in here. Kit type, body and lens. The reviews on this: great camera, quickly with all accessories. Now, does it say anything about not having a lens? Let the camera set up everything, modify shutter, aperture. So it doesn't sound like they've not got a lens on. Let's see what their support process is like. Some things missing from my order. Contact us here. Right. Well, I'm gonna we'll fill this and send it off, and I will have to come back once I've had a reply. So it's just been just under a week now until I started the support process. Use the word support loosely. Yeah, it's we're not getting anywhere. I'm not able to get the lens sent out. I have to do a full either return and get a refund or return and get a replacement. Now, if I was to, I'll tell you what, let's just go through the, we'll go through the emails. Yeah, so on the 24th, I sent a request through. I said, hi, I've received this, but it's missing the lens, which the listing said it should have. Got a request. Thanks for writing for us. I'm sorry that the incomplete order was sent out. Let me check with the store, we see if we can source the lens. This was on Tuesday. 2 days later, I had a reply. Thanks for being patient. Unfortunately, there was an error in store while this product was sold to us, and hence the camera lens was missed. I suggest you return the product back to us. If you plan on posting, click here for details. Make sure you include a note in the package stating the reason for your return. We are processing orders as fast as possible. We aim to have them processed within 7 days. But it could take up to 14 days. So that's going to be 2 weeks where I'll be, well, camera down, lens down, and money down until it comes in. In case replacement can't be processed, a refund will be issued. So basically, if you've not got any others in stock anywhere. As it's a high value item, please send it through an insured service. If it was sent through the post, we'll be happy to reimburse the postage charge via cheque. So I would then have to wait probably a couple of weeks to get a cheque through the post, which is, I don't know, just seems a bit old fashioned to me. 2022, we're still sending cheques out. Can we not just do a BACS or a bank transfer refund? No? Postage receipt when you return the item. If you wish to return it to a CEX store, please carry the invoice. So I'd have to print an invoice out. They didn't send an invoice with it, they've just sent a delivery note, dispatch note. Please carry the invoice with you. So at this point I was thinking, right, can we not just get the lens?
Do you know where it is? Do you know where it is?
No.
Do you know what it looks like?
Yes.
No, you don't.
So I tried going through the process of saying, you know, can we just get a lens sent out? So this is what I replied with. Is it possible for just the lens to be sent from the attached camera in the screenshot attached? So I sent a screenshot. This was, so Manchester Roundale had one in stock with a lens. Apparently, with a lens. So obviously I suggested that could the lens just be sent from that, and then this relisted as body only. So they were saying it was a buying error. Where we're going here. This product was sold to us, hence the camera lens was missed. So obviously the person who put this into the system, they sold it as body. They put it in the system as a body and a lens, and then obviously the other part was posting it out. Someone didn't check that the lens was sent as well as the body. So I suggested I really would like to try and keep the camera and have a lens posted out. And then the next day they replied, yeah, so this was a buy-in error where only the camera was sold to us without the lens, as there is no lens present in the sourcing store for this camera, which there isn't. I think I didn't buy it from either of these, bought it from another store. The request, again, they wanted me to return the product. Again, I asked, why can't you just send a lens from a different store? And I said I'd like to escalate it. I went full Karen mode here. So again, what happened when I asked to escalate it, I also got an email. I also got an automated email asking to leave a review on Trustpilot, which I left. Without the lens, they wanted a full return. There was an error. I'm hoping to have as they have the camera with kit lens in stock at other sites, as well as the standalone lens just in stock. So they've got listings for just the lens, that they're able to honour the sale by just sending the lens. I said I was a bit miffed off. So I had a reply, sorry. Thanks for the review. We have guidelines in place where this, you know, they check before the item was sent. This was overlooked. Feedback. We're going to feed back to the store for corrective measures. Regarding the replacement, I sent you an email. So what they're doing is with the reviews here, anything negative, they're not posting publicly. They're posting it privately to the person concerned. I sent you an email for any issues, you know, blah blah blah. So this was for the this is a reply from the for the Trustpilot. Hope this email finds you well. Every store has its own investor limit.
What is that? What the fuck is that?
and we won't be able to ask them to send the lens as it will impact their stock level. And that's the last email that I got. So now I'm at a point where I don't know whether to keep the lens, keep the body, but again it was £150 just for the body, and I've seen on eBay there's for £154 there's a listing where they've got the body, lens, all the accessories, including a box as well, and it's going to be free postage for £154. Now the issue with that is I can't afford to get that until I've had a refund, so I'm going to be stuck with having to wait and hope that eBay listing doesn't go. So yeah, be warned, if you're wanting to buy a camera and a body off CEX, don't do it online. I would suggest going into a store at the very least, or shopping elsewhere. So, a bit of an update. I ended up getting the eBay listing for the camera. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this video here for now. I'm going to make a part 2 where I'm actually going to unbox this, because I've got a feeling that everything will be in there with this one. I haven't had a refund from CEX yet, but it is only a few days since that video. So yeah, if you've made it this far in the video, thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, give it a like, and if you want to see more content, drop us a subscribe. Alright, see you later.